Students, this is your teacher Dheeraj Singh, and today I'm going to teach you the third chapter from your English book, and the name of the chapter is Dela and Jim. So let's begin. Jim and Dela are a husband and wife living in a rented room in New York. They are quite poor. After rent and groceries, the couple hardly have any money left. So Jim and Dela are a couple. They are a husband and wife, and they live in a rented room in New York. So New York is the capital of America, and rented room means a room which they have to give a monthly fare, okay, monthly money, okay, to live in that house. That is called a rented room. Rent means monthly payment given to a house owner. So that means it was not their own house, it was a rented room, and they have to pay monthly rupees for living in that room. They are quite poor. After rent and groceries, the couple hardly have any money left. So though they were not rich people, they were very poor people. After since he had job, then Jim had job, but after paying off his rent and groceries means the household items you need, like bread, then rice, vegetables, pulses, okay, everything, and all these groceries. After having all these groceries and his house rent, they very scarcely they could save any money. Okay, so that is the introduction. In this introduction we learned that Dela and Jim, they were a poor couple. They don't have much savings. $1.87. That was all Dela had. She counted it 3 times. $1.87. And the next day was Christmas. So $1 is, dollars are American currency, and cents, cents, cents are like in India we say paisa. Okay, rupee, paise, dollars are rupee, or cents are paise. So how much money Dela had? Dela had $1.87, and she counted it several times, 3 times. She counted it again and again, but the money did not increase. Okay, so, and the next day was Christmas, and Christmas is the biggest festival of the Christians, and they used to gift gifts to a present to one another. They used to eat good foods, they used to wear nice dress, and they used to present each other gifts and beautiful things during the Christmas. So Dela had only $1.87, which was very less. Dela loved her husband very dearly, her dear Jim. For months she had been planning to buy some nice Christmas present for him, and for that she had been saving every penny she could. But all that she could save was $1.87. Dela loved her husband very dearly. So Dela, she loved her husband, and the name of her husband was Jim. So she loved her husband very much. For months she had been planning to buy some nice Christmas presents. So as I told you, during Christmas people used to gift gifts, valuable gifts to one another, beautiful gifts to one another. So Dela, she loved her husband very much, and she thought that I will present something to my husband, and for that she had been saving cents, paisa, okay, every day, but hardly she could save only $1.87. Jim earned only $20 a week. Out of it, $8 went for rent of their flat. With the remaining $12, they could hardly meet their expenses. Dela had been able to save only this much, $1.87. So Jim earned only $20 a week. How many dollars? Only $20 a week, and out of it, $8 went for the rent of their flat. So, and out of this money, $8 went for the rent of their flat. Now see, out of $20, $8 rent of their house where they are living. Now remaining $12, with the remaining $12 they have to meet all their expenses. Okay, household expenses, groceries, everything. All with her parsimony, Della had been able to save only this much, $1.87. Now, what is parsimony? Parsimony means a person's quality of being careful with money. A person who is very carefully expensing money. Okay, carefully expense money. That he used to be very careful with how he uses his money. He doesn't expense any money. Della had been able to save only this much. So after doing all this parsimony, after being very careful with her money, she could only save $1.87. The next day was Christmas. Poor Della could do nothing but cry. She did not know how she could buy a good present for her husband Jim. She threw herself down on a little couch and began to cry. So next day was Christmas. So that means it was 24th December. Okay, Christmas comes on 25th December. So it was 24th December. Next day it was Christmas. Poor Della could do nothing but cry. She didn't know how to buy a gift for her husband Jim. She did not know because she did not have any money. Only $1.87 is not enough to buy anything. So she was very sad, upset, and she threw herself on her little couch. Threw herself means just flung down, sat down suddenly on the little couch. Couch means sofa. Okay, and began to cry. Then suddenly she got up and stood before the mirror. A brilliant shine came in her eyes. Rapidly she pulled down her hair. She let it fall to its full length. So then suddenly what happened? She got an idea. She got up from the couch and she stood before the mirror. Mirror means शीशा. ठीक है, अपने आप को शीशे के सामने देखने लगी. Okay, a brilliant shine came in her eyes and one idea struck in her brain. She got an idea and her eyes began very shiny. She was very much hopeful. Rapidly she pulled down her hair and see it let fall to its full length. So just you can look in the picture, see there Della, she saw herself in the mirror and she let her hair loose. She opened her hair and she let it fall in the full length. Jim and Della had two precious things in their family. They were very proud of these things, two things. So Jim and Della दोनों के पास एक बहुत ही प्रीसियस मीन्स समथिंग वेरी कॉस्टली, समथिंग वेरी वैल्यूएबल, जो बहुत महंगी हो. दो चीज़ें उन दोनों के पास थी और दोनों बहुत ही प्राउड फील करते थे उन दोनों चीज़ों के बारे में. एंड द टू थिंग्स वेयर, one was Jim's gold watch. Before it had been father's and grandfather's. So Jim had a gold watch, and this gold watch were a lineage of their parents. At first वो पहले उसके पिताजी पहनते थे, उसके पिताजी के पहले उसके दादा पहनते थे. फादर एंड देन बिफोर हिज ग्रैंडफादर. द अदर वाज डेलास, और दूसरा था प्रीसियस थिंग था डेलास ब्यूटीफुल हेयर. दूसरा महंगा चीज़ प्रीसियस चीज़ क्या था? डेलास हेयर. इट लुक लाइक ए कैस्केड ऑफ ब्राउन वाटर्स. सो हाउ डिड डेलास हेयर लुक लाइक? डेलास हेयर लुक लाइक ए कैस्केड ऑफ brown water. What is cascade? A thing that hangs in a way it looks like a waterfall. So Della's hair was so smooth and beautiful and curvy that it looked like a waterfall. Cascade means something that looked like waterfall. Okay, so the two precious things were Jim's gold watch, which his father and grandfather used to use, and other is Della's beautiful hair. Quickly tied up her hair again, then she put her on her head and ran down the stairs into the street. So what idea did Della got? We'll get in the when we read more, but the idea was something very interesting. So Della, she tied her hair again, she put her hat and she went into the streets. Okay, सड़क पे निकल गई वो बाहर मार्केट पे. With quick steps she went to the side of the market. She stopped before a beauty parlor where the sign read. So after going to the outside in the roadside, she saw a beauty parlor. Okay, and what was going to happen in the beauty parlor? We are going to read in the next chapter. sorry, next page, and the next page will be explained to you in my second video. So students, this is up to first page, and in this first video I will cover only the first page. In my second video I will cover you the second page. So I hope you all understand this chapter. Let me give a review. Della and Jim were very poor people. Della was upset because she did not have money to give a gift to her husband, a Christmas gift, and she was very sad. So but suddenly she got an idea, and she went to the street, to the market, and there she saw a beauty parlor shop. And what happens, we will read in the next chapter. Okay, so that's all for today. And before finishing this video, let me tell you, please wash your hands very carefully, use mask, and keep social distancing. Okay, whenever you go out, you will use a mask, and don't go very near to someone. If you want to talk with some outsider, then please keep a limit of minimum 1 meter with the person whom you are talking. Okay, that's all. Thank you. Have a great day.